power miter saw is a perfect tool for making accurate cross cuts in boards. But what happens when the board is slightly wider than the capacity of the saw? How can you make that cut? Well, here are two ways. One is to take a block of wood, in this case a 2x6, put it on the saw table, then put your workpiece on top. What you're doing is you're raising the workpiece up to the widest part of the blade instead of cutting it down here where it's relatively narrow. And that extends the capacity of the saw. So you set that in place and make the cut. There you go. Now another way to do that is without any blocking at all, just take your workpiece and set it in place. And now when you go to make your cut, you cut all the way down as far as it'll go, and then very carefully lift the workpiece into the spinning blade just to trim off that last little bit. So here you go. There you go. Two ways to expand the cutting capacity of your miter saw.